For a check of your Wednesday forecast.
Thanks, Kelsey. We're seeing a bit of fog out there over the lakefront, but notice we're seeing some sunshine peeking through there too. So once this fog clears out, we're going to see a lot of sun today. We'll just have some fair weather clouds out there, but there's that fog, so maybe you'll be seeing that as you head out on your commute. I think some areas have a little bit denser fog, but I'm not too worried about that significantly impairing visibility. Temperatures right now staying very warm. We're in the high 60s at the airport, down on the coast in those mid 60s, seeing some upper 50s in Hammond, but a lot warmer than what we started with yesterday. We were in the low 50s. This boundary continues to sit over us, but it's pulling up to the north slowly. We're going to see this become a warm front, just like we are to the west later today. And notice we're getting some storm activity firing up along that frontal boundary associated with this low pressure system to the west of us. That's going to move to the east over the next couple of days, and it's already increased those dew points as that boundary pulls northward. We're in the mid 60s right now, 60s in Austin, and you can see where that boundary is, where we're seeing the difference between 60s and 40s up to the north. So that's going to fuel some storm activity, those higher dew points. We have a lot of heat, and we're also going to see those boundaries starting to move through. So off the warm front today, we could see some isolated storm activity. Most of us won't see storms. Tomorrow, most of us will see storms. Strong storms moving through in a line early in the morning. Our temperatures will stay around normal as we see those storms forming. So water vapor shows that low pressure system really well that's coming in. You can see this swirl right here. We're getting all of this convection in what we call the exit region of that upper low, where the winds are going north. Winds are going east down here, and we're getting lift along that. You can also see we have a little bit of a short wave here that's moving in. That's going to pop those storms up for us. So we have a level 1 risk for severe weather today. Highest is over to the west, but we're going to see that risk for severe weather tomorrow as well. Slight risk, that's level 2. We'll start to see those storms firing up early in the morning, and then we'll have a line moving through in the mid-morning hours. All modes of severe weather are possible with these storms. Today, very isolated in nature. Whoever sees storms, though, could see it a very strong storm briefly.